Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do using the grounded flips that we've already learned. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the 7th set of combos that you'll be learning for level 1.7, which involves a swing-through transition. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your 6th set of combos down for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So the first combo that we're gonna do is a front scoot to a front swipe. So you're gonna do your front scoot and follow through to a front side stance, but you're gonna make sure you keep your swing leg off the ground. And from there, you're set up to go into your front swipe. The second combo is gonna be a front swipe to a front scoot. So you're gonna do your front swipe and follow through to a front side stance. Make sure that you keep your cheat leg off the ground and throw your front scoot. The third combo is gonna be a back scoot to a back swipe. So you're gonna do your back scoot and make sure that you land in a backside stance, but keep that swing leg off the ground. And from there, you're set up to do your back swipe. The last combo is gonna be a back swipe to a back scoot. So you're gonna do your back swipe and land in a backside stance, but make sure that you keep your cheat leg off the ground. And from there, you're good to do your back scoot. Now, if you're having a little bit of trouble with these combos, I recommend that you just work on them slowly, and as it gets a little bit easier, you can add a little bit more speed and power. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'd also like to thank all my patrons at Patreon for supporting this channel. And if you'd like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Next, we'll be going over the 8th set of combos for level 1.7, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.